Hey, what's up everybody? In this video we're going to be looking at this covered wagon for kiddos and seeing how it holds up or has held up over the last 2 years. Now if you're interested in picking yourself up this wagon, if you do end up liking it, I'll put a link in the description below. Overall, it's a wagon that we really enjoy. It's really quiet and has smooth running bearings. You can load up 2 kids in this thing, 1 kid, or just jam pack it full of like picnic gear, for example. Couldn't speak more highly of it. Here is the canopy it comes with. It does remove, and it's got these little retractable poles that just kind of pop on like this. And again, this unit is 2 years old, so take a look. Look for tears or discolorations or anything like that. We use it pretty consistently during the summer months, and obviously when there's nice weather in general. But the canopy kind of comes off like this, and it does fold up, which we'll do in a second. But let's take a look at these retractable canopy poles first. They just pop down, they slide down really easily, so no grime and build up over the years, still really smooth, and obviously they hold up. When you elevate them, they stay in place really well too. So they just kind of depress like this. The canopy obviously is great for a sunny day, and the canopy cover folds up, and it has a little storage pouch included in this wagon. You can store that or put it somewhere else, wherever you'd like. So that's kind of a nice feature that we've learned to appreciate. I've got 2 cup holders, essential I might add, and a retractable telescoping handle. So you can push this thing and pull this thing really easily. It's very well made. Now, one of the best features I think about this particular wagon is with one hand, check this out, I've got my camera here, with one hand it just folds up and locks into place. So you can put it in the trunk of your vehicle or bring it anywhere with you virtually. It collapses very well. Let's take a look on the inside real quick. It's got 2 included seat belts. We've also got some Velcro straps and some zippers. So this unit actually converts into a bench seat, so you can fold down the sides kind of like this, and you can actually sit inside with your kiddo or whatnot. It's got a weight capacity of about 150 pounds. Don't quote me on that. You can check the specs in that link below. But the zippers and the Velcro straps have proven to be durable over the years, and also the fabric is really easy to clean. Check out the tear here. Again, this is a 2-year-old wagon, so over time it does suffer some bruises, right, from child's play, rigorous play here. But overall it works pretty well still. Just a little bit of cosmetic damage on the seam, but it's not really affecting the integrity or operational ability of the wagon. Here's a look at the wheels. They are a hard plastic, no rusting happening, which is awesome. And on the metal parts, the axles and whatnot. Here's a better look at the undercarriage, just so you can get a sense for how this part holds up. Everything looks pretty brand new, I would say. We've got probably some dust and some dirt and whatnot, but for example right here, this is just a little bit of, who knows what that is, spilled soda or something. But anyway, overall this is an awesome wagon, highly recommended. It's got the durability over the long term and obviously a lot of practicality. Thank you so much. For more DIY jobs and home product reviews, be sure to subscribe.